आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question here is that a tall pea plant with a yellow seed, heterozygous for both the trait, is crossed with the dwarf plant with the green seed here. So using the Punnett square, work out the cross to show the phenotype and the genotype of the F1 generation here, right? So let's see the answer now. So if we talk about the parents here, right? First we have to make the parents here. So the first one is the T tall pea plant is there, and we have the yellow seeds, and it has to be heterozygous. So in case of pea here, the tall plant is the dominant one. Tall is the dominant character, and the yellow color of the seed is also the dominant character, and it is represented by the capital letters here, right? Now we have to make the gametes, or we have to make the sequence of the tall pea plant here, which is having the yellow seed and it has the heterozygous condition. Then it will be like this, right? So it have the heterozygous condition, this for the one trait and this is for the another trait here, right? And another one is that for the dwarf pea plant here, right? So it will be in the homozygous condition, which will be TT YY here, right? Now we have to make the gametes here. So the gametes for the following will be, we have 4 kinds of gametes here. In case of this parent, it will be these, and here will be the gamete which is small t and small y here, right? Now we have to make the Punnett square. So Punnett square is the one which is used to make the crosses here, right? So when we will study about this Punnett square, so it will be this condition that we have to make cross with, right? Now after making the cross, we have to form the individuals here. So after crossing each and every gamete here, we will get the progeny here, right? So this is the cross result that we got as a result of the Punnett square here, right? Now we have to tell about the phenotypic and the genotypic ratio, right? Phenotype, and we have to talk about the genotype here. So if we talk about the genotype here, so we get 4 types of genotype here, right? How many types of genotype are there? 4 types of genotype are there. We could see they are entirely different from each other, right? And if we talk about the case of the phenotype here, how they are physically looking here, right? Then we have the tall, then we have the yellow here, we have tall green here, right? Then we have the dwarf yellow, and then we have the dwarf green here, right? So phenotypical is about the physical characters here, right? And genotype is about the genetic composition here, right? So if we talk about the tall yellow here, right, this one, so this is one, we have tall, and this is the green here, this is also one. Then we have the dwarf and yellow, it is one, and we have dwarf and green here, it is one here. So the ratio become 1:1:1:1 here. So this is the phenotypic ratio. And if we talk about the genotype here, then these would be the genotype here, which are of 4 types, right? And each is having only one.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।